So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 24th October to 28th October 2022. Now gold in this week on a weekly time frame created a double bottoms pattern over here and then closed the week with this bullish candle. Now we can also see gold is still moving in between this downtrend channel, and as you can see, it also has a higher time frame resistance zone with multiple major retest points and also a higher time frame support level with multiple major retest points over here. Now on a higher time frame point of view, we need a breakout of this key zone for gold to continue pushing up, making a breakout of this downtrend channel, and also we need a breakout of this support level with further bearish momentum for gold to continue pushing down in continuation to this downtrend channel on a higher time frame point of view. Now let's go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame. So in this daily time frame, you can see this higher time frame resistance zone and also this support which we just talked about on the weekly time frame, and also in between these two key zone we also have these two key level which has multiple retest points over here. Now before gold makes a breakout of either of these two key zone, we could also look for trades in between these two key zone on the breakout of either this key level or this key level, which is currently acting as gold support and resistance on a shorter time frame point of view. Now if you go to a 4-hour time frame, you can see this two key level having multiple retest points and how these key levels are acting as its support and resistance. As you can see over here, we have those two key level over here, so we could see some price rejection from this key zone or this highs, and then we could also see some price rejection or retest on this key level as well. So we could form a resistance and proper support at this key zone on a shorter time frame point of view, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of either this key zone or this key level in hopes of gold either coming to retest this next zone or this next key level over here. So if gold does find support around here and makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum at least on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can wait for some sort of a structure to be formed over here with some highs and lows, and then we can look for trades on the long side on the breakout of that structure to add more confirmations on our trades to avoid some fake outs over here in hopes of gold coming all the way up to make a retest on this next key zone which you saw on the daily time frame right around here, and also on the weekly time frame which is the major resistance zone right around here. And if gold with further bullish momentum even makes a break and close above this key zone, then it would be indication of making a breakout of this downtrend channel, and in that case we can similarly look for trades on the long side after such breakout happens at least on a 30 minutes time frame above this key zone in hopes of gold coming all the way up to make a retest on this next key level which has multiple retest points, or continue to push up to retest the next key levels over here, making a breakout of the higher time frame downtrend channel. However, if we see gold continuing to find resistance at this key zone or at this higher time frame resistance zone which we just talked about on the weekly time frame, and making a break and close below this support level, a possible support level which has multiple retest points, then we can expect gold to continue to push down to retest the previous low over here again. And if we see gold even making a break and close below this higher time frame key level with further bearish momentum which you saw over here on this weekly time frame, then similarly the way we were supposed to look for trades on the long side, we could also look for trades on the short side in hopes of gold coming all the way down to create a new lower low to make a retest on this next key level with multiple retest points over here. As you can see, has multiple retest points even from 2020 over here. So that's what we expect gold to continue pushing down in continuation to this downtrend channel if gold makes a break and close below these previous lows it made with further bearish momentum. So let's see how gold reacts towards any of this key level or this key zone, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart so that you can see all these key zones and key levels. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.